I love my Revlon infrared hair dryer. It comes with 2 attachments. It's got this one, which is good for straightening your hair with brush. But I use this attachment, which is the diffuser, which helps me get my curly hair going. It's nice. It's got a high and a low, hot and warm, and then it also has like a cool button here. If you're blowing it, you want to blast it with cool air to help set it. I really like it. I think you will too.
Plastic. It comes with 3 clips, which I like. It comes with a little thing on the end you clip on. It's $18.75. Hot and warm. Very nice style. I like it. You guys should get it.
So I received my blow dryer today. It's really cute. I love the clear attachment, and it has your cool here button, and then it has your temperatures in the back with low, high. It's really nice design. Looking forward to using it.
So basically, the dryer is plastic. As you can see, it could be delicate, but anyways, it works amazing. You're gonna see now.
¿Cómo se me vuelve a borrar el palazo?